I was setting up an accessory for my reTerminal, and during the course of that, I noticed that my touchscreen coordinates were not being interpreted properly. I was a little confused as to what was causing this at first, but I found the answer. As it turns out, all the touch coordinates are being processed through a matrix, and somehow my matrix got reset back to the identity matrix. This is what the corrected matrix looks like. I won't get into the details of exactly how this is interpreted. But in order to correct this, there's a command that I had to enter to change the settings for that matrix, and here's the command. You can also find it in the description for this video. If you type this command in, you can only do it directly from the terminal. So if you SSH into the device, it's not going to work from there. But after I got this command typed in and I tried using the touchscreen again, then all of the coordinates were being interpreted correctly. So I wanted to share this information so that you have it, since it took me a while to find it myself.